to somewhere here, accounts and orgs, and then you just need to go over and click manage over here, and then it should open. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change your name on Microsoft Teams. Now this tutorial is going to be really easy and fast, but I will be showing you two methods for this one. So without further ado, I'm going to be needing your 100% attention before we get into the video, and so let's get into the topic. So how do you actually change your name on Microsoft Teams PC? Well, it's pretty simple. Well, there are two methods. The first one is that you head over here on these three dots, which will open settings and more. So we have here these buttons that lead us to settings, help, feedback, zoom, and the rest. But the important part here is settings over here. And once you get to settings, you need to head over to somewhere here, accounts and orgs. And then you just need to go over and click manage over here, and then it should open up your account page. Okay, so now I'm gonna be logging in my account on these Microsoft this external window. So I'm gonna say signed in, and then it should lead me to my account settings over here on the Microsoft website. So as you can see, this is my Microsoft account, and what I can do here is I can head over here to my account, and then although it says that I'm gonna be editing my picture, if we go over here, we can edit our name. So we can just edit here, do the captcha, and then just press save. Another method that you can do is you can get over here and go to here, and then just click on edit display name, and then you'll be able to change your Microsoft account name without having to go over to the external window. That's it. That is how you can be able to change your name on Microsoft Teams on PC. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.